Check out this 2007 Ford F-150. This super nice F-150 was just traded into courtesy Nissan. Sharp, inside and out, this one comes with a beautiful leather interior, polished aluminum wheels with raised leather tires, a bed liner, power windows, power locks, cruise, a great sounding audio system and much more. You can buy with confidence knowing that this one-owner vehicle comes with a clean Carfax report and was thoroughly inspected by our certified master technician before it was considered for our lot. At this price, this one will go fast. Call now before this one slips away. Courtesy Nissan does not add for value-added options, prep, reconditioning or dealer-added accessories on our pre-owned vehicles. We do our very best to keep our inventory accurate and remove sold cars as soon as possible. We are centrally located on Central Expressway in Richardson. Nice a selection of certified pre-owned Nissans and other makes in one location. Our Internet department features over 100 years of combined automotive sales experience. The Internet department is committed to a fast, hassle-free purchase process that puts you first. Please, ask for your Internet manager. Please call us for more information. Contact the dealership today.